What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I got this new stair stepper machine from ERGOLIFE Fitness. Really excited to check it out. We're gonna do an unboxing. Been wanting to add something like this to my home gym arsenal. We're gonna unbox it, see how easy it is to build, and check it out. So if you ever bought equipment that usually takes hours to build, I know how annoying that is, but it looks fairly simple from the instructions. It's just the handlebars, the screen, a few covers, and the steps. Pretty straightforward. Let's see how long it takes. All right, guys, that was it. Took me about 15-20 minutes to build. As you can see, it was already pretty much mostly already pre-built. All I had to do is put on the arms, the screen, these foot pedals, and it actually, I like that it's very portable. It has wheels in the back, so you can pick it up and you could wheel it around, you know, different parts of your house. For this video, we're gonna keep it right here so we could try it out, but after I'm done here, I'm gonna just put it in my cardio room. Right off the bat, just by looking at it, the quality looks very premium. This is actually built and designed for home use, but it looks like it's built for commercial use. It's a lot better than a lot of stair climbers that I see at the gym. Very impressed with that. Let's check it out and see how it goes. Okay, so we're gonna use a pedestal right here, which is really cool. Nice little step. What I really like about this stair climber is that it has a phone charger here. So you can put your phone right here, and it'll charge it as you're working out. And the beauty of it too is you could just get on YouTube, Netflix. Some people like to watch things, help the time pass by, and use your phone at the same time as you're using it. So that's really cool right there. So let's start it off right now. Wow, that's very quiet. This is very quiet. Yeah, this is legit. It feels really premium. These steps are really cool. I like how it angles with each step down there, so you don't stump your toe there. It's really cool, really smooth, and I like how quiet it is. Now, very important for people sometimes working out from home. Sometimes you have your wife or your kids are studying in the next room and you want to be quiet. Talk about quiet, look at this. It's almost no sound. So you can literally have early morning workouts, late night workouts, and not really worry about waking up your wife or your kids. I really like that. It's really cool. These handles are really cool. It looks like it has for your heart rate, keeps track of your calories. Obviously it's an estimate, but it's really cool. I also like that there's a lot of emergency safety stop, a big red button right here. You have a safety button on the console right here. You have a safety stop on the actual screen. And then what's really cool too is if you get behind on your steps and you start going down, when you get to the last one, it thinks you're gonna fall off, and it just shuts off on its own. It's a really cool feature that I like. It also has this button here, just in case. If you want to stop it before that, you just press this button and it'll also stop. And these pedestals are also really cool for getting off, just as well as when you get on. So I really like that feature. And again, these steps feel really premium. a lot better than some of the gyms that I've seen. It's really cool. Let me get this going again. Again, this stair climber is it's designed for home use, but honestly, it's built like a commercial gym. It's a lot better than some of the ones that I've seen at the gyms, and it's kind of compact. So as you saw earlier, you could just wheel it around your house, different room, and it feels really good. These are really good workouts for your quads, your glutes, for your hamstrings. And it's also good for endurance training, cardio training, burning calories. So you get 3 things all at once. You get endurance, you get strength for your legs, and you get cardio. Now, I like the impact of these stairs too. These are really good workouts that you could do that are good for your joints. So if you have injuries, this is a really good workout. Really impressed with this machine, the quality, how steady and smooth it is. These handles feel really premium as well. Up here, all these safety features for emergency stops is really cool. I really like it. The LCD monitor is really cool. It tracks time, steps, calories, everything you need to track your progress. Again, this is actually really smooth and quiet. You can use it early morning or late at night. So it's designed specifically with low noise operation for home use, which is really cool. It supports people up to 400 pounds. So pretty much anyone could get on this thing. It doesn't wobble. It's very, very, very stable, very sturdy frame. All right, now let's actually push this. Let's see what it could do. Okay, now we're talking. This burn's different, more muscle focus. You can turn this into a full body conditioning workout. This is cardio, strength, and endurance in one. Now, can this replace the gym? Well, if your goal is to burn fat, build strong legs, get conditioning, and stay consistent at home, then yeah, this can absolutely replace your cardio and leg workout. So you see me work out from home with a lot of calisthenics, but this right here, I definitely recommend it. And if you're thinking of getting something for cardio and leg workouts and burning fat, very quiet, a lot of safety features built in, this is definitely what you want to do. Very impressed with this machine. I highly recommend it with all the safety features. These pedestals right here, how smooth it is, how quiet it is, where you can work out, not interfere and bother your wife or your kids while they're studying. Definitely recommend it, guys. Again, nothing works unless you do, but this right here will make your workouts a lot easier because it'll help you stay consistent and give you all those things that I mentioned: endurance, strength, and cardio. So if you guys are interested and you want to learn more about it and check it out, just check the link in my description, guys. And if there's anything else you'd like to see, just let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.